In these unprecedented times, communication is important more than ever, and not just between humans, but between cells as well. In order for your body to protect you if you've contracted a very dangerous virus, your cells need to be able to communicate. But how do they do that? Every cell has a unique process of communication, but there are some general continuities. There are 3 stages of cell signaling: reception, transduction, and response. Every cell has their own special receptor protein. Each receptor protein will only respond to a specific signal in the form of a molecule that binds to it, called a ligand. A ligand can be any molecule, like gas, or protein, or lipids, provided that it is smaller than the receptor protein it binds to. Now the cell will go through a process called the signal transduction pathway. The ligand will cause the receptor protein to change shape and activate another protein at the membrane, usually in the form of removing or adding a phosphate group, called a subunit. This causes a chain reaction of relay molecules signaling to other proteins, which amplifies the message. Once the message is received, some kind of reaction will occur in response to the signal. In some cases, it means the cell transcribes a certain gene found in the DNA, or the release of hormones, or the sensation of pain. Viruses use this method to infect cells. Let's use our favorite virus, COVID-19, as an example. The virus will use its crown-like spikes to act as a ligand and attach itself to a receptor of a cell, changing its shape and triggering a transduction pathway that fuses the membranes of the cell and the virus together, so that the viral DNA can be transported to the cell's nucleus to be replicated. Then more viruses are created, and the cycle starts again. The cells of the immune system have to fight back by communicating with each other on the best mode of attack. A special kind of white blood cell, called a lymphocyte, will release molecules called antigens that stick to the receptors of a virus, acting as a ligand to the receptor. This makes the virus unable to attach itself to the body cell's receptors since the antigens are blocking it. In some cases, the antigen will cause the virus to self-destruct, while in others it just has it stay in place. Another white blood cell, a phagocyte, reads the antigens on the virus and comes to engulf it. Communication is what gets things done, and your cells are good at it. They can filter the good messages from the bad ones, as long as their inbox isn't overflowing with harmful messages. And the best part is, they don't need Zoom to do it.